Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar. I'm super excited to introduce Dheeraj, who cracked a 7.5 lakh per annum package with his amazing digital marketing skills. I'm super excited to introduce Dheeraj. Welcome to the show, Dheeraj, and we would love to know about you and your inspiring story.
Hi all. So, like Rishi said, I am Dheeraj. I did my course in Digital Scholar. Prior to this, I was working for a digital marketing firm. I had a little bit of experience, but nothing technical. And then I quit my job. So this happened around Jan. I quit my job and I was kind of in a very dull place. And then I wanted to do something. So I wanted to start my own business. So when I wanted to start my own business, uh, I went into fabrics. So I'm basically a shirt manufacturer. So right now I've started that. And then when I wanted to do that, I wanted to do a lot of digital marketing. I had a very basic knowledge on social media marketing, but I wanted to experiment with the other parts of marketing also. So that is how I came across Digital Scholar. And one of my friend actually referred me because he was your old alumni. He passed out in the batch, second earlier batch. So he had referred me to you. And I did my research and then I said, fine, I'll go over with Digital Scholar. And then we had a conversation. And then I joined Digital Scholar. And then the things happened. I did take the course. I enjoyed the course. After the course all got over, I had another opportunity which came up through a network in LinkedIn again. I got shortlisted for an interview, and then people called me. And then there was a huge process on the interview process. It was around a 5 level of interviews where people had questioned me on different levels, on different factors. And then the moment I cracked it, I was in, and that's how it
Awesome.
happened.
Perfect, Dheeraj. So you say that you're already a digital marketer, and why did you choose to join Digital Scholar? What was few things that you wanted to basically master or what you wanted to learn, and what was that breakthrough moment during your 3.5 months of course that you stayed with us?
Like I said, when I started doing digital marketing for a company, and I started doing it on my own. So whatever I learned was self-taught, and I did not know any technical terms and aspects of it. And I also wanted a degree and a certification. When I say people I do digital marketing, they look into those certificates. That's the Indian knowledge. So I didn't have that, and I didn't know the technical terms for the things I used to do. So I basically did only Facebook and Instagram, and a little bit of YouTube ads. So social media ads, and I wanted to experiment on SEO. I wanted to experiment on blogs. I wanted to try it on different channels. When I started my own business, I wanted myself to be equipped with all these knowledges also. If I'm not able to do it on my own, I should have someone who should do it, but I should be able to question them on how they do it. So I wanted to have the knowledge. So when I asked them, my friends in the network, they suggested Digital Scholar, and then I came in.
Okay, super.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, since Digital Scholar provides the placement process, how was the support, or I would say, how did you basically meet your employer, and also what were the 5 rounds? Since we're not taking the name of your employer for the confidentiality purposes, yeah. So,
Yeah.
to all the people who are gonna see this, we cannot take the names because of the NDA that Dheeraj has signed. So, also, yeah. So, without taking the name, can you tell what were the 5 rounds and how did you crack the position of assistant manager for a digital marketing firm?
Okay. This offer came through LinkedIn, and it was through a referral. I had applied on LinkedIn, and then I got the offer, and then the interview happened. I had 5 rounds of interview, and the first round was HR. The last round was communication. The rest three were technical rounds, and every interview took place on different dates. And then we had a to and fro conversation going on. Uh, Luckily, the HR was little friendly to me, and he had relieved a little bit of questions, and he told me like these are the types of questions people will be asking you, so just prepare on these aspects. That really helped me in the final round of interview, on the fourth level of technical interview in particular. So on the first three, I was able to crack it. It was very basic, and the technical knowledge was also, I kind of learned it in Digital Scholar and whatever I had and through experience, I was able to crack it. Then it had come to the fourth interview stage. That's the third technical stage. It was a little tough. Like I said, the HR had given me a heads up, so I came back to Digital Scholar through Sam. I spoke to Tanveer and I got the questions clarified. They gave me from ups, knocks, and then what to tell and what not to tell. And I had a backup ready. And then I did take up the interview. I cracked that. And then the final was communication, which was pretty easy again. And it
Wow.
happened.
Wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, let me just repeat. So you just got stuck at the third technical round. So basically, I think it was about a Facebook campaign, and then you
Yeah.
came back and you took the help of the in-house digital scholars trainers, and
Yeah.
that basically helped you get through all the 5 stages. Because I'm hearing for the first time 5 rounds of interview for a and I, of course, because the position was such huge and
The package was huge.
yeah, package was huge, so might as well worth the entire process. So super
True.
happy for you, Dheeraj. Congratulations on that. And I also
Thank you.
believe you have your own clothing brand, is that right?
Yeah, my
And
own brand. It's also happening simultaneously. I've made the first order and probably expecting shipment by next week. So
wow,
that's all set for rolling up again.
superb. And that's also happened via digital mediums, the selling.
Sell in digital media. Facebook, Instagram is the major source of revenue for me, and that's how it's gonna run also. And website, I'm working on the website simultaneously. And I learned through Digital Scholar. I didn't have a website knowledge. My
Superb.
website knowledge came through Digital Scholar. So working on that also simultaneously.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So you are having a hyping job. You have your own business, which is running through the entire digital medium, and this shows like how if you have the right skills, you can pretty much achieve anything that you seek out for. So, what is one thing you would like to tell to people who are watching this or who are gonna watch this, that how to crack an interview, digital marketing interview, since you did a very hyping one, how do you crack one? And second, for people thinking of joining Digital Scholar, what would be your words for them? Yeah.
Okay. First, to crack the interview, all you need to do is you need to know your basics very well. They, whenever it's on a technical term, it's going to be on very basic. Whatever technical question they ask you, you will have to be able to give them a very proper answer, and then you'll have to tell them what you know. If you don't know, tell them that. That has to be upfront so that they'll be able to judge you better. So that is what you need to do to crack all the stages of interview. And then you need to know your basics for sure. That's 100%. You need to know that. And to join Digital Scholar, I would say yes, please do join Digital Scholar. It's not paid. He's not paying me anything, but yeah, I do support because that helped me a lot. Like I said, I had a lot of support, technical support from you guys, wherein, like I said, I had knowledge on how to do things, but I didn't know any technical terms and how to calculate on the revenues and things like that, which literally happened through Digital Scholar. Apart from that, the network there, I was put into an agency and my agency was there. It was a lot of help and a lot of boost. So it really helps me out there actually.
Perfect. And we were actually lucky ones because we did almost 90% of our classes in the offline classroom sessions, right? So we had a lot of interactions. We had a lot of fun. So
Yeah.
we were the lucky ones to actually see this through and rather not do the yeah, of course, even the online method was great, but then yeah, we did almost 2.5 months of classes in the offline way. So thank you so much, Dheeraj. You're an awesome digital marketer, and you made all of us proud. We are so happy to see you succeed, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot more coming for you in the future. So stay in touch. Thank you so much for doing the interview on a short call.
Sure, sure.
And this is
Oh,
going
it's
to
fine,
inspire
please.
a lot of people who's going to watch this. Thank you, Dheeraj.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.